Hello, friends and family. My name is Ethan Blau. I am the owner of Soundwave Customs here in Virginia Beach, Virginia. And I wanted to put this video together for Kevin Richardson, aka Big Kev. That's what I called him. Not only was he a great friend to myself, but he was to a lot of other people out there, and especially in the 12-volt car audio, car stereo community that we were both in for many years. And I found out about Big Kev's passing on Friday. It was actually my son's birthday party, and man, it just really shook me and took me, knocked me off my feet, if you will. I was at a loss of words and just really saddened to hear that. He was actually in my store about a week and a half, 2 weeks ago. He came in, always wanted to touch base and say hello and just hang out. He was just that good of a person. So I wanted to put this together. I contacted a lot of people that looked up to Kevin. Some people that he may have looked up to himself to say their piece for friends and family, especially that are not in the 12-volt community, just to show how many souls that Kevin had touched. And I'm sorry if I left any out. Like I said, it was just obviously last minute, completely unexpected on all parts. So I apologize in advance if I left anybody out by any means. But I hope this really touches you guys' hearts as Kevin has touched ours. He was just the most amazing, humble, positive, selfless person that I could say I've met. He was always in good spirits no matter the situation, no matter what was trying to tear him down. He would not let that happen, and I envy him for that. And I could only imagine if the tables were turned, I'm sure Kev would have done something similar, if not even more immaculate than what I can. This is the little bit I could give back to him and give peace to him. Man, I love you, Kevin. May you rest easy. I'm sure you're watching down on us all. I hope this video makes you smile from ear to ear. And man, we're going to all miss you, brother. You were truly an amazing person, an amazing man. And I just can't believe this. But I hope you guys enjoy this little piece we could put together. It's like I said, the least we can do. Love you, Kevin. Rest in peace, brother. Until we see each other again, man.
This I know, there's a few things that I gotta do. I gotta make some decisions if I wanna hear from you. Lord, I know that you died, and I know that you rise. Gotta set sin aside and swallow my pride. Even with a disguise, I still couldn't hide from your all-seeing eyes. Gotta get my life right, and I know that you're coming back for me. Enough is enough, I got to stop running from thee. Lord, heal me, Lord, feel me. Save my soul, sanctify me and make me whole. Lord, I wanna be pleasing in your sight. Please pay me a visit tonight, that's right. I'll go where you want me to go. I'll do what you want me to do. I'll be what you want me to be. I'll go wherever you tell me, that's right. I'll go where you want me to go. I'll do what you want me to do. I'll be what you want me to be. I'll go wherever you tell me. Come what may, I'm serving you until the day that you close my eyes.
Big Kevin, man, you're gonna be missed. This is a tough one. Gonna miss seeing you at all the shows, chatting with you. Always so positive. Always checking on everybody. Always seeing what's going on. You're gonna be missed in the 12-volt community. Rest in peace, brother.
Hi, this is Mike at Extreme Audio outside Richmond. Just wanted to send our heartfelt condolences out to Big Kev's family and close friends. He's definitely somebody that will be missed. We loved seeing him at all the different specialty and DAS trainings. Always happy, always that little bit of sly wit in there. He will truly be missed by his car audio family.
Hello, my name is Kevin Juarez from Sonic Sound here in Arlington, Virginia. I knew Kevin Richardson from all the trainings that I used to go, and I used to see him all the time from the Alpine trainings, Sony trainings, CompuStar, Viper. He was always a specialty DAS shows. Very nice guy, always smiling. From everyone here at Sonic Sound, our deepest condolence to his family and friends.
Hey, just wanted to take a moment to send my condolences out to the Richardson family. Kevin was an amazing guy. I've known him for the past 4 or 5 years in our 12-owned industry, and every time I met him, he was super uplifting, super positive, always had a smile on his face, and always ready to pass that happiness and smile and just graciousness as a great person, man, on to the next person. So prayers for the family, and Kevin, rest in peace, brother.
I did not know you very well or for very long, Big Kev, but I will have to say, every time I met you, it was a pleasure having a conversation. You were the most positive person I think I may have ever met. Even when life kicked you down, you stayed up. Rest easy, Big Kev.
Hey, my name's Ada. I didn't know Kevin long, maybe 5 or 6 years. I just wanted to give my thoughts on what a nice man he was. I knew him from our business in car audio. He always had a smile, always wanted to know how you were doing. You know, I would only talk to him a couple times a year, but we lost a great guy in our community, the business side of this community, and my heart goes out to his family and his friends, and thank you guys for giving us an opportunity to show us how much we care about Kevin. All right, have a nice one.
Ken Litton with the AES Companies. First off, we're sorry for your loss of Kevin. Kevin was one of our customers and accounts down in the Virginia Beach area. Every time I went into a store, he always had a smile on his face, always willing to help somebody. So our thoughts and prayers go out to the Richardson family.
Big Kev, man. Wow. Can't believe you're really gone. Seems like just yesterday we were laughing and having a jolly old time. You'll be missed, brother. Love you, man.
everybody. I'd like to introduce myself. I'm Blake Miller with Davis Distribution. And sad day that I found out that Kevin Richardson has passed away. I've been known Kevin for 25 years plus. Worked with him, dealt with him many times. Kevin was a great guy. Always had good things to say about everybody. Never had a bad word to say about anybody. He was well loved, I'm sure, by his closest family and friends. It's very sad. Gonna miss him, and hopefully he'll be looking down upon our industry and everybody, his family, friends. Rest in peace, Kevin. We love you. Rest easy, brother.
I'll go wherever you tell me, that's right. I'll go where you want me to go. I'll do what you want me to do. I'll be what you want me to be. I'll go wherever you tell me. Come what may, I'm serving you until the day that you close my eyes, until you crack the sky. Got a made up mind, I can't turn back now. You revealed yourself, you showed me visions and signs. I got to toe the line, the hand of the enemy I need you to bind. I press rewind, I think about how good you've been to me, even though you didn't have to be to me. Gotta stay focused on the Almighty. My destiny is in my sights, G. I'm going out to possess the land, but the only way I do it is you hold my hand. Yes, I'll go where you want me to go. I'll do what you want me to do. I'll be what you want me to be. I'll go wherever you tell me. That's right, I'll go where you want me to go. I'll do what you want me to do. I'll be what you want me to be. I'll go wherever you tell me. Sometimes I get hard-headed, doing things my way only gets me frustrated. Making moves without you when I should've waited, but in the end the only thing I got was aggravated. Lord, I'm tired of doing things my way. I'm gonna do it Yahweh. Since serving you I seen brighter days, but me turn back no way. I got to stay focused on the cross. I got my orders from the big boss. I'm here to bring good news to the lost. Jesus for us, you paid the ultimate cost. I got my assignment, gonna carry it out until there's no more air in my mouth. Father God, I'm with you for sure. Just order my steps and I'll go. I'll go where you want me to.
Hey, what's going on there, Ethan? It's Kevin XL, bro. Hey, man, I just want to say I saw your video, man, up on YouTube, man. Hey, man, great job, man. I'm telling you, man, it's real professional looking, man. I like how it was filmed. I like how it was pausing, you know, when they were talking and stuff and had all the writing and stuff up there, man. Yo, man, good job, bro. Keep up the good work, man. God bless you, bro. Peace.
Just order my steps and I'll go. I'll go. I'll go. Just order my steps and I'll go. I'll go. I'll go. Just order my steps and I'll go.